Hey there guys, Abner's Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we would be playing with the NERF Alpha Strike Infantry Pack. So as you can see here guys, we have the NERF Alpha Strike Infantry Pack. So this video will be a two-part. So for the first part, we will play with the Optic QS4 and the single shot Nerf guns right here. And for the second part, we will focus on our Vanguard LR-1 right here. So of course, there's our Nerf branding right here. A very big logo of Nerf right there. So this one comes with 20x Elite Nerf darts. Caution warning right there. And of course, this is to be played with kids ages 8 and up. And there is our Hasbro branding right there. There's a picture. That's how our Vanguard LR1 looks like right there. So there are two grips or two handles right here. There's the one in black and one in yellow. So there is storage for darts on the scope side right there. And you load it with this lever right here. And this is for your arms or shoulders. Perfect. So these guys are the cute ones. They are the single shot Nerf guns right here, included in the infantry pack. So there's the trigger, you load it right here on this lever, and you put in the darts one at a time right here. Perfect! So this one is our Optic QS4. So it has a scope on top right there, and you load the Nerf darts in front right there, and this is the lever that is used to arm the gun. So just to have a quick total, we have 24 pieces right here for our infantry pack. There's one Vanguard LR-1, one Optic QS-4, two single shot Nerf gun right there, and 20x Elite Nerf darts. So let's continue with our unboxing. Okay, so here are our Nerf guns right here. We have our single shot Nerf gun right here. And this one is our Optic QS-4. So for the single shot Nerf gun that we have right here, you can see that there is Nerf branding right there on the small grip. And here's the trigger right here. And this is the loading mechanism right under the grip right there, which you pull down to arm the gun. And that is the yellow scope with the Alpha Strike branding right there. And that is the barrel of our single shot Nerf gun right there. On the other side, more the same. So that is our single shot Nerf gun right here. This one is our Optic QS-4. The first thing that you'll notice, this is a full-sized scope, an orange one. So that is on top of our Nerf gun right there. Perfect! So I think this is a fixed scope. It is not detachable from our Nerf gun. If you see there are crosshairs in here. So you can see through the scope right there. So there's your normal grip, a black grip right here. And the gray tone on the trigger. Of course, our sights or scope right here. And as I mentioned on top, is the full-size scope right there. This is the loading mechanism right here. So you pull back, load the gun, and of course the branding right here. And here's our 4 barrels for our Nerf gun right here. So this is much like the barrel from the Fan QS4, right? So if you want to check that out, the Fan QS4, click on the link right here. I'll also include it on our video description. So on the other side, more of the same, and that is our Optic QS-4. For measurements, our single shot is about 8 cm by 9.5 cm right there. For our Optic QS-4, including the scope, that's 13 cm by 17.5 cm, including the barrel right there. So now we load our single shot and our Optic QS-4 with our Elite Nerf darts. So here's our single shot Nerf gun right here, all loaded. Here's our Optic QS-4, all loaded with 4 darts right there.
Wow!
Great looking gun, huh? Now all we have to do is prime the gun. So for the single shot Nerf gun right here, you just pull down on this lever to arm it, like so. So that single shot Nerf gun is now armed. All you have to do is pull the trigger right here to launch the Nerf dart projectile right there. Okay, so to arm our Optic QS-4, all we need to do is pull on the lever right here, like so, right there. So now our Optic QS-4 is locked and loaded. All you need to do is press this trigger to launch our projectile Elite Nerf darts. So we will fire our single shot Nerf gun right now. Ready? That is nice. This is a small package, but it packs a punch. That is a great shot right there. Ready? Nice. Now let's try to fire our Optic QS-4 right here. Ready? That was 2 right there. So now it's time for our power test. So this is our power test. We got our usual shoebox right here with an A4 paper on it. And we will try to put a dent right here using our single shot Nerf gun right here and our Optic QS-4 right here. So I will fire from 6 feet back and try to fire on our target right here. So we'll use the single shot Nerf guns first. Ready? So there you go, guys. Unfortunately, our target is still intact. No dents right there, no holes. So this is our single shot Nerf gun right here in our Optic QS-4. So there you go, guys, with our Nerf guns for today. So these are the single shot Nerf guns that we have for today. These are really fun, small but terrible Nerf guns. Perfect. They really do pack a punch. Even though it's small size, it really does the work. It really does the job, as you have seen from our power test right there. This is really cool and this is really fun to play with. And it fits your pocket. You can always pocket this one. So that is our single shot Nerf gun right here. So for our Optic QS-4, this really is a medium-sized gun, and it's really a lot of fun firing those 4 Elite Nerf darts right there. And it's really also fun to use the sight included right here, the scope. Wow, this gun is a lot of fun. It also has a really good design, and I like the fixed scope right there with the crosshairs on it.
Perfect.
So this gun is really a lot of fun, just like our single shot Nerf guns, and it also really does the job. It packs a punch. Also, although you have to prime it every time you want to fire the gun. And also take note, as you have seen earlier, they sometimes fire 2 darts at a time. So that's really a cool feature right there. I don't think that's gonna be a problem. I do like it when they launch 2 darts at a time for 1 load, right? So that is our Optic QS-4 right here.
Perfect.
So there you go, guys. Please stay tuned for the part 2 of our review on the NERF Alpha Strike Infantry pack. We will review the other Nerf gun on the part 2 of the video. So right now, we just want to know which Nerf guns do you have in your collection. Please comment it down below, okay? So hope you like our review for the NERF Optic QS4 and our single shot Nerf gun right here for today. So do not forget that we are still on our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. So know more about that, click on the link right here and on our video description. So do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click on the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our Nerf gun reviews and a part 2 of this review on the Alpha Strike Infantry pack. Also follow us on our social media links right here. And that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.